HEX is trading at 0.010 in terms of the US dollar, with a value change of 2.58 in the last 60 minutes, or so they thought. They also thought that HEX has a market cap of $1,794,994,756 and a 24-hour trading volume of $2,799,366, which puts it at 205 in the digital currency market. What will HEX be especially worth in 2023? Is HEX a good investment or worth buying in 2023, which is a very big year? Will HEX cost really beat its all-time high? These are our HEX price predictions for the future. HEX value prediction 2023. According to the HEX conjecture cost and technical research, the HEX value should cross an average value level of 0.011 in 2023. The average lowest value of HEX at the end of this year should be 0.011, and it can reach a maximum value of 0.012. Which shows how HEX value estimate works. July 2023 and July 2023, the highest price for HEX could be around 0.010, and the lowest price for HEX in July 2023 is usually 0.009, with an average price of 0.010 in a simple way. August 2023 HEX value prediction in general. The cost of HEX is expected to hit a minimum value of 0.010 in August 2023. This shows that the HEX value forecast is correct. July 2023 In July 2023, the highest price for HEX could be around 0.010, which is pretty high. The HEX price could generally reach a fundamentally highest value of 0.011, with an average trading value of 0.010 all through 2023, showing that these are our HEX cost X expectations for HEX's future in a very significant way. HEX value estimate September 2023. HEX is predicted to reach a buy and hold minimum value of 0.010. The HEX price could reach a buy and hold maximum value of 0.011, and the average price will be around 0.011. This shows how HEX value figure works. When compared to September 2023 HEX, September 2023 real-world value is projected to be worth 0.010x value figure. October 2023, the highest price for HEX in October 2023 could be around 0.011, and the lowest price for HEX in October 2023 is usually 0.010, with an average price of 0.011. This shows that HEX value forecasts are accurate. August 2023, the price of HEX, in particular, is expected to hit at least 0.010 in August 2023. This shows that HEX value forecast is generally accurate. HEX value expectation November 2023. When it comes to November 2023, HEX is predicted to reach a minimum value of 0.011, which is very important. The HEX price could reach a maximum value of 0.012, with the average price being around 0.011 HEX. Value estimate December 2023 to December 2023, the HEX price is predicted to reach at least 0.011. This is very important because the HEX price could reach a really high value. The HEX was in a usually good vertical pattern and was 36.53 units long. This is a very large HEX that has recently shown areas of strength and promise. So they thought this might be a good time to dive right in and help. In the last month, the price of HEX fell by 86.642, which is equivalent to a loss of $0.067. This goes against what most people think. This sudden drop means that the coin is now in plunge, which means that it could be a good time to buy for speedy venture. These are our HEX price predictions for the future. The 90-day price change is about 59.02%, and the price went from 0.024 to 0.024. After 4 months, the HEX value number goes up by a lot. 2023 facts: what will HEX really be worth? They thought it would reach a high of 0.012 and a low of 0.011 by the end of 2023. This shows that the HEX price could reach a high of 0.011 and a low of 0.011, with the average price being around 0.011. September 2023. About September 2023, HEX is supposed to reach a value of at least 0.010, or so they thought. They thought XS have a future in a way that really counts when it comes to price. HEX kind of has a pretty good chance of getting there. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price move today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple moving average, Mustache said. Once Bitcoin has closed above it, it has never fallen below it again until the cycle top. This is how it was from 2016 to 2018 and from 2019